Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to do motion tracking in Adobe After Effects. So here's the preview. If you have any questions about this tutorial or you'd like me to cover anything else in my tutorials, then please let me know down in the comments. And I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to have a lot of content that I'll be uploading each week and it would really help the channel. So here I've just got a composition with a video that I've taken. You can use any video you want, as long as there's some sort of motion, then it will be fine. I've also got a data callout that I created, but you could use any shape for this. All we're going to do is attach an object to the motion of the video, and hopefully it will work. So firstly, make sure you're at the beginning of the timeline. And then we want to open up the tracker window. Then you want to double click on the video layer, then hit the track motion button. You will then see a box appear that has another box inside it. So here I'm going to use the eye as a reference point. Essentially you could use any part of the image, but you need an area that's quite unique, as the motion tracking is actually going to look at the colour. So we need to expand the outer box, so this is like the feature area. I tend to make this about twice the size of the part that I'm focusing on. Then resize the inside box so it's almost the exact size of the part you want to track. Then once you have everything lined up perfectly, just hit the play button in the tracker panel. This will then track the object frame by frame, and it will insert a track point. This process can take quite a long time depending on the length of your video, so we'll skip forward. And once it's complete, you'll see a series of track points, and you can preview the tracking by moving the timeline forward. Next we want to add a null object. Select layer, then new, then null object. And you'll see this added to your timeline. Rename this whatever you want. Here I'll just call it tracker. Next, select the video layer. Then select the end target button. Select tracker. Then select OK. Bring the video back to the beginning of the timeline. Next, hit apply. And make sure the dimensions are set to X and Y. Then select OK. You'll then see a red square, and this is the null object. And if done correctly, you'll see that it's following the motion of the eye. Next we need to link our object to the tracker, and we'll do this by clicking and dragging the parent icon and then linking it to the tracker. Now if we preview the video, you can see that the object is moving in sync, and you just need to move this in place. So you just click and drag the object and then place it exactly where you want it. In theory, you should be able to move the object anywhere in the video and the tracking should still look okay, but it's best to focus on the area where you initially set the tracking up from. So that's it. It's quite simple and you can use it in any video. You just have to make sure that there is a clear reference point and there has to be a standout colour somewhere. If you were to do this on a really dark video, then it's not likely going to work very well, as it needs a clear reference point. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, which will really help the channel.